everyone, I am back again with another good news. Another good news. Like I said the last time that this year is for me. What did I say? This year is for me. When see, there is this thing that when people try to discourage you, use that their discouragement to tell yourself that I am going to make it. I am going to achieve it. What they are saying I cannot do, I am going to do it times 10. I told myself that I was not going to post this, but I am going to. Please read this. Are you done reading it? That was a anonymous message that was done in my class. By the way, I'm graduating very soon, inside next year or next. I say inside next year. Sorry, next week. I'm signing out inside next week. That was a message that was done in like anonymous message that was done in my class about my video when I started posting, when I started posting my content, trying to share my link and all, and this was the message. But finally, God has done it. What is this? What is this? Guys, YouTube paid me. Like, I was shocked when I saw the alert. See, everything just happened that same Monday. You know, I made a video about getting monetized on my other channel, and this one happened that same Monday. I got the alert when I was sobbing, when I was crying that oh they have scammed me, and I saw the alert that YouTube paid me. I just saw it on my UBA that YouTube have paid me to my domiciliary account. I was just so excited. I was just so excited because I never expected any of this year. Truth be told, all these things that are going on, all these like good news upon good news, me getting monetized on Facebook, having two monetized channel on YouTube, like I never expected it. But there's one saying that when you keep pushing, when you push and you don't give up and you don't wait, you keep going, no matter what, no matter what people are saying, you keep pushing, you are going to succeed. And that is what is going on. No matter all what they have said, all the laugh that they have laughed at me, I am making it. Like I am making it. They are even the one coming to meet me. I should tell them about YouTube and everything. So guys, this is another video of me encouraging you all that if you don't give up, you are going to make it. If you don't relent, you are going to make it. If you keep pushing, you are going to make it on this YouTube. Stop saying that YouTube is not for me. YouTube is for you. You just have to put in the work and the effort. Me myself, I'm not putting the effort I want to put in because of school. I just can't wait to graduate so that I will put in the effort I want to actually put in this content creating. And don't just limit yourself to one social media platform. Try others and see which one will favor you the most. And the one that will favor you the most, stick to it and still continue posting on others. That doesn't mean because one is favoring you, you now neglect the others. Like, should I say because I was monetizing that my first on this channel, I will not neglect my second channel that I'm trying to get monetized. I just got monetized. Or I will not neglect Facebook that just monetized me. If I neglected Facebook would not have not monetized me because I was getting frustrated on Facebook. I started Facebook before YouTube. Yes, I started posting on Facebook, not thinking about YouTube. But as Facebook did not monetize me, I had to look for and say, okay, let me take my YouTube serious. But I was still posting on Facebook. Even Facebook did not monetize. I was still posting. And all of a sudden, Facebook have finally monetized me. You can see it. You see what the Lord has done for me. I cannot tell it all. So I just want to say I'm grateful to God. Like it's God that is doing it, and my own efforts too. Because if I did not put in the work, I will not be seeing all these results. That day, I think I was going to. Should I say I was going to? Yes, I sent the message to Vibe with Sonia, my coach. I sent it to her, and I was like, Mama, I even forgot to tell you my other channel is monetized, and also YouTube just paid me. I was going to the market when she called me and she was like, you are not eating YouTube money. I was like, yes. So she now said you can see that effort pays, and it's true. Your effort pays. You need to put in more work. And I want to use this opportunity to tell Bible Sonia, thank you. Like, she's always there if I just ask any question. See, there's one mind that if your mind tell you to do something, just do it. She was not the first person that actually messaged for coaching. Somebody to coach me here on YouTube. She was not the first person. But and funny, and they have the same price range. And I was like, let me message my Sonia, and I messaged her on it was on Gmail on May, and she sent her account and then made every payment and all. Ever since then, she has been like, she has been like a mother here on YouTube. If I have any issue, I will just message her on WhatsApp. See. She has even linked me to a lot of people that have even gotten money. See, when your mind tells you to do something, just do it. Just do it. I know right now your mind is not telling you to give up. You are the one that wants to just give up, but you don't need to give up. Listen to your mind and keep pushing. And I don't want this video to be too long. We'll be ending it in this place. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment on the video. Are you willing to give up after hearing all these good news? Do you want to still give up, or you want to push so that you can achieve your goal? Don't give up. Comment, like, and share the video, and that will be all for now. I love you. Bye.